So here's how to merge multiple cells in Excel. The first thing you're going to do, you're going to select all the cells you want to merge. Then you go to the Home tab and you go right there and you can just do merge and center. And it's going to show you this, and that's why you have to merge across. So you do merge across and it's going to merge your cells across everything. And if you don't want to do it like that, the other way is to select all your cells, then you press Ctrl 1 on your keyboard and it's going to give you this. Then you go to the alignment section, then under the alignment click on under the general, you go to center across selection and it's going to be on the center. Okay, then your cell, everything merged onto the center. So that's how to merge multiple cells in Excel. So I'm just going to do this, and that's it. Thank you. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.